Hi guys, this is a very impromptu video. I can't even apologize for my appearance. I had a very long, very hard day yesterday. I am wiped. And I'm trying to do as little as possible today, but I wanted to jump on here in case some of you had not heard this or did not know this. But I was just watching a criminal lawyer reacts to Amber Heard's new legal team and outlines the process of her appeal. This is a lawyer, criminal lawyer named CLR, criminal lawyer reacts, Bruce Rivers. And he's been talking about, oh man, see, he uploaded this on August the 19th, so some of you may already have heard this or seen this video. But I'm just now getting this information, and it never even occurred to me that this could be one of her main reasons for appeal. That he's saying that he would be very shocked if Amber didn't go after Elaine for poor representation, and that her incompetence is a reason for appeal, that she was poorly represented. Now, was Elaine incompetent on purpose? That's what I want to know. I mean, it is hard to believe that a lawyer as well seasoned as Elaine would make so many mistakes during a trial, and a televised trial. You'd think she'd be on her best, you know? And she made some, I mean, that part where I'm trying. What lawyer does that? That was so unprofessional. And all of the informal, incompetent things that Elaine did, and then the interviews. So my question is now, was Elaine incompetent on purpose? And did Elaine, I'm trying to remember this now, was Elaine kind of like that from the beginning, or did she become like that as the trial went on? I can't remember. Y'all refresh my memory. But either Amber totally threw Elaine under the bus, and now she's going to go after Elaine, or this was the plan all along. Is she, maybe behind closed doors they got together, and I'm just speculating, but it's kind of starting to make sense. Maybe behind closed doors they got together and said, you know, if we look like we're losing this trial, or if we lose this trial, Elaine, this is what we're going to do. You know, let's let Elaine take the fall. I mean, Elaine, that's what I'm wondering, if Elaine was in on this. Like, maybe she just didn't care. She was, you know, found whatever and went after her. I don't know, but maybe that was their plan all along, that if they lost, they could use it, because there's not going to be a mistake, a First Amendment mistake in the trial, because you can't just say, just like you know, Bruce Rivers says, you cannot just, I'm going to leave the link to his video in there, because honestly I don't want to take the time to clip and put all that in. I just want to make this a quick get out so you guys can look at this for yourself, and let's talk about this, because I got all kinds of stuff going through my head now. Like, did they do this on purpose? Because he's saying, you cannot, you have to, something has to be wrong with the original trial. You can't bring in new evidence. That's not how appeals work. So, and you can't just say, First Amendment doesn't protect you to be able to say anything you want. That's not how that works. If it's false, you can't go around saying it. Just like Amber sitting there in her interview talking about how she till her dying day will stand by her testimony. She's still saying that she's still defaming Johnny Depp, and I hope she ends up right back in court again. But this is very interesting. Did she throw Amber under the bus? I mean, did Amber throw Elaine under the bus? Or was this the plan all along? So, because there isn't going to be any First Amendment mistake in the trial. They're not going to find that. But Elaine's incompetence, I mean, really, it was a joke. But Elaine's not a new lawyer. She's not fresh out of college. She knows better than some of the things that she did and said. So did Amber throw her under the bus? Is Elaine really that incompetent? Or was this planned within her camp and her legal team? If they lose, let Elaine take the fall. Use Elaine's incompetency. Was Elaine part of this plan? If it was a plan. But it certainly makes sense, right? If you're Amber and you just want to beat Johnny no matter what, maybe Elaine was paid to take this fall? To say, okay, if we lose, we're going to use Elaine's poor representation of Amber Heard for the appeal, the reason for appeal. But she had other lawyers, and it makes sense. That's why Rottenborn's been so quiet. Please go watch Please go watch Bruce Rivers. The link, I've put the link in. It's just a quick video, no editing. I'm just uploading it. Please put there's a link in there. Please go watch his video and let me know what you think, because I'm starting to think this was all planned from the beginning so that she would have a reason to appeal when she lost to Johnny Depp. The fact that she was poorly represented. Interesting, huh? What do you guys think? Is it just me thinking that way? Watch the video.